Let's look quickly at this chapter here. Sublist 1, Academic Word List. It is below it is the web page explaining the definitions about the academic word list. But this chapter is important because you need to work on it mostly yourself. I will only review it a little bit in the class because I think a lot of the work you can do on your own. So I'm opening the chapter now after downloading it inside the Blackboard. The whole file is there. I have extra copies if you need it. It's basically a lot of vocabulary practice. It starts out emphasizing the meaning of each word, the definition. There's a nice matching activity here. But then it goes on to analyze more deeply the aspects of the words. In this one, task 2, words have multiple meanings, and you have to identify how every word, like in let's say number 1 here, the word is issue. Issue has multiple meanings. Which of the meanings is correct for this context? That's a very good exercise to think about. As we go down, the ones that I like the best are going to analyze the parts of speech. Focus is both a verb and a noun, just like benefit. Both a verb and a noun. That's task 3. And then in the next one, we use 2 kinds of knowledge to answer the question. First, we identify the part of speech. So in letter A here, according to the grammar of the sentence, I know that I need a verb. Now I go back and I have to find which verb fits according to the meaning. And in this one, I believe the best answer, smaller classes benefit students, help students, or benefit students, particularly at the youngest level. That meaning makes the most sense. So you need to, I like this a lot, how grammar knowledge and vocabulary knowledge about meaning come together. We will continue analyzing word families and endings for different words. And then I would say after we get up to about page 61, these are kind of extra, less important for the final quiz, but kind of useful review activities for different words. So Sublist 1 has about 60 words on it that I want you to learn. These are the most common words. You should be able to learn them on your own for a quiz in a week or 2. I'm not going to give you all the answers in class, but I will give you some of the most of the answers before the quiz. So work on it yourself day by day. Then before the quiz, I'll give you all the answers so you can check to see how you did and which words you need to study more yourself to improve your knowledge about these words.